Hi guys, welcome to the last lesson. We are going to place our characters in a background which will be a vector image of a school that I found on Freepik. This way, I won't have to draw also the background. Drawing the characters took me long enough, so I didn't want this course to be any longer than this. Here you are, all the students and the teacher. We just need to arrange them properly so that they are all visible to the audience. For example, we are going to place the taller characters on the sides, and to sum it up, we are going to try and have all the characters as visible as possible. Right now, I'm separating each one of them in different layers, and I'm trying to place them according to the position of the other characters so that they don't end up covered. You can also play with the size to adapt them better. I'm going to place the teachers on the sides. I think that's the best way to place them. And regarding the smaller ones, they could be in the center. Let's see. Nope, it's covering the face, so I think I'll place it next to the pure teacher. Why not? I leave this one here. And there is still some work to do. As I told you before, I'll place the broccoli next to the pear. And this one close to the pepper. I still think the raisin is too big, so I'll reduce the size in a moment. This way, she won't cover much of the pepper. And well, this is it. We've seen the expressions, the structures, the references, and how to apply stereotypes to character design. And in the last place, we've here this group of characters that we've designed in this course. You can see how nice this looks, right? It's incredible how we came up with this from brainstorming session and a set of expressions and personalities. The shapes of the veggies and the fruit were the base for these characters. Well, I hope that you liked the course. I enjoyed it a lot teaching it to you. I really look forward to seeing your projects, and don't forget to upload it to see what you've done. See you in the next time. Bye!